Replacing the battery in your 2011-2018 Ford Fiesta key fob is a simple DIY task. You'll need a CR2032 3-volt battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Start by gently prying open the key fob case at the seam, typically located on the sides or near the keyring hole. Some models may have a small screw that needs to be removed first. Once open, carefully remove the old battery, noting its orientation. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Snap the case back together and test the remote. This process typically takes only a few minutes and can save you money compared to dealership service. If your Ford Fiesta key fob isn't working after replacing the battery, first ensure the battery is correctly installed and is a fresh, high-quality CR2032. Clean the battery contacts with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol to remove any corrosion. Try resyncing the fob by cycling the ignition or using the car's onboard menu if available. If problems persist, the issue might be with the car's body control module, especially after software updates. In rare cases, the key fob case may be cracked during opening, so consider purchasing a replacement case shell online. Finally, AI-assisted diagnostic apps can help troubleshoot syncing issues without needing a dealership visit.